We're wearing off our fullness because we just had delicious dinner at a place we can recommend. It was called La Brunilda. That's right. If you're in Seville and you want tapas, you should go there. It's delicious. The best food we've had probably in all of Europe so far. Get there right on time because there's a huge crowd waiting within
40 people ahead of us.
There were 40 people ahead of us and we were there just when they opened. Then the huge crowd was outside peering in the windows like, when are we getting to come in? We want to have gelato too from another place that sounded good. So we have to walk off some of our dinner to make room for gelato. I think this is our first night vlog.
Probably.
We're in the Santa Cruz neighborhood now, where we were in a video recently. Now we're here at night because we didn't realize we were there yesterday. And
the temperature is nice and cool now, so it's a nice time to be here.
And because we didn't see everything.
The bitter orange trees. This is all bitter oranges around here.
Oranges in the orange tree. Bitter though, you don't want to eat them. Then collect them and make them into marmalade. Mostly it's to counteract the smell of the city. Planted by the Moors. I think we talked about it in yesterday's video.
I wonder who lives in these buildings. If anybody does.
Someone's lights on. Who lives here? Apparently, Cordoba is famous for these. And that concludes our evening in Seville. Generally. We didn't plan anything for today, but we thought we'd like run into interesting stuff. But we haven't really. We saw it all yesterday. This isn't a blooper at all.
No bloopers ever.
All